you like making money, stop what you're doing right now and add Lithium Argentina to your stock watch list. Over the next few minutes, we're going to go over why it's a great opportunity, what my plan is, and what the risk versus reward is. As you can see, Deutsche Bank just upgraded Lithium Argentina to a buy rating and is bullish on the lithium outlook. So let's go over one of the most exciting reasons why it's going up and look at the chart. So by far, one of the most exciting reasons a lot of people are watching LAR, Lithium Argentina right now, is it just hit blue sky territory. What does that mean? It means exactly like this chart shows. Here is the original point and where the stock started. And here is today, where it went higher than it's ever gone before. Which means the good news, why that's amazing incentive, is there's no more what's called bag holders. People that were stuck in the stock. Usually people buy a stock, then it goes down, then they're stuck in it, and they wait till it gets high enough where they can sell and be free again. So at this point, everybody's free, nobody's stuck, and it still just keeps grinding higher. On top of that, it has amazing catalysts going on. It just reported their 2025 full report of production, and they produced at the top end what they expected to for the year, which means they could pump out plenty of lithium and make plenty of money out of this mine. On top of that, every time Trump or anyone in government talks about acquiring rare earths, especially now that he's going after Greenland, and anything like that just keeps lithium stocks just pumping. And on top of that, the price of lithium has been going up every day. As you can see here, this is where it started. 6 months, this started from the summertime, just going up consistently without any major pullbacks, which this is where my plan comes in. If you want to know how me as an experienced trader investor is looking at this. So basically it's at 864 all-time highs, and my guess from my experience is that people will be probably pretty bullish on this up to around the $10 mark. So what I'm looking for is a huge burst in the amount of daily volume. So like right now it's at 4.30 million volume for the day. The day is almost over. If I see that pre-market, which means it's going to do a lot of volume for the day, that is one of the days I'm looking to lock in some profits and wait for the pullback, because that means people got too greedy and it's about to just overheat. Because it's had this slow grind, so no one has gotten too nervous. But the day, it could be maybe the end of this week, next week, you never know. But once the volume heats up, that's when I'll be looking to lock in profits and wait for a pullback. Because another significant risk is they have a expansion project that they're going to need cash for. And since this has been running since the summertime, it would make a lot of sense for them to announce a round of dilution to raise some cash for the expansion, which would definitely cause a pullback just because people have gotten so comfortable just holding it. And that would just create a domino effect of people selling it, locking in profits. So the key is experienced traders, investors, the day it has huge volume at the beginning of the day, that's where we're all going to be thinking the same thing. Let's take some profits on the table. Overall, I'm still holding this for the long term because we're only 6 months into the lithium cycle of prices going up for lithium. The last time we had this cycle, it went on for over a year. So we're most likely only halfway in. And my expectation, the way the supply and demand is shaking out for lithium right now, with more and more people driving EVs and all kinds of stuff going on, I think this cycle can actually last longer than a year. So if you want to stay up to date for the next move, when I actually lock in profits or see what happens next, if you're following this trade, if you're in it, if you're thinking about getting in it, Yeah, just follow, get notified for the next video where I'll keep explaining my next part of the plan and how I'm managing this trade and this investment. And yeah, let me know if you got any questions or comments. And that is what's going on with for now. Huge opportunity. Usually don't see patterns like this too often, but when you do, they're amazing opportunities. So let me know if you got any comments or questions, or just stay tuned on what happens next.